Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. This one's going to be a little bit different today. A while back, my buddy Chris Walker, you guys know we're best friends. Whenever you go to a convention, me and him always causing havoc. Alright? So, a little while back, he posted a picture on Facebook of a Diet Coke, case of Hot Wheels. And the thing about that was, what do they all have in common? Now, anybody, I'm going to move this, all right? Anybody that was there at the time remembers what happened. We're sitting in the hotel room at the convention, and, you know, you get everybody all crowded together. You know, we might have 20 people in one of them little hotel rooms. So I'm sitting over on one side. Walker's sitting in a chair. My wife's over on this side. Marshall Walker's sitting over there. Walker's boys are over there. And Connie Basham's in there with us and a bunch of other people. And we're, you know, just talking and having fun. So Walker drinks Diet Coke. And next to Walker is a case of Hot Wheels. Now, when I'm at a Hot Wheel convention, I'm walking around with an empty box, and I'm finding stuff, and I'm throwing it in this box. That way, you know, it's safe, right? I mean, I got some pretty rare stuff that year, and of course, I'm, you know, carrying around, making sure it's okay. Now, I'm not one of them guys, everything has to be perfect, but still, you know. So I got some really, really rare cars that I was looking for. And I'm really proud and happy. And I got them in this case. And like I said, Chris Walker's sitting over there. And there is my case of Hot Wheels on the floor between me and him. There's a little table. All right? So he's got his Diet Coke up there. You see where this is going? All right? So he's got his Diet Coke up there. And we're talking, you know, everybody having fun, this and that. And all of a sudden, I don't know what happened. But Chris moves, his hand hits his Diet Coke, and it falls over. And it's going in my case of Hot Wheels cars. My rare stuff, my blue card stuff that I've been going crazy finding, that I was happy that I found. And he's just looking at it. And it's going glug, 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 glug. And I'm like, oh my God. You know. So I reach over and pull it out of there. And he says, what's the matter? That's just garbage. I said, no, it ain't. It ain't garbage. Look in there. It's all my blue card stuff. And he's like, and you have never seen a room empty out as quick as that room did. Because apparently everybody thought that I was going to go bananas. And but I didn't. No, I didn't. Oh, that's right. And Walker, also with that picture of the Diet Coke in the case, had a blow dryer in the picture. So I pulled the Diet Coke out of there, carried it over into the bathroom, and I'm emptying all the Diet Coke into the sink, taking all of my blue cards out of there, wiping them all off, and hitting them with the blow dryer. And no, I did not go bananas. It was a mistake. You know, it was a few $100s worth of cars in there, but I don't care. But yeah, man, that room emptied out in a heartbeat. But that's the story. Diet Coke, blow dryer, case of Hot Wheels, old Hot Wheels, and yeah. Chris Walker poured his Diet Coke into my case of Hot Wheels. So that's the story. Now everybody knows the whole story. Who was that guy used to say, and that's the story. Or, and that's the rest, or whatever. But yeah, that's the story. So I hope you like it. All right. Thanks for coming by. You guys take care. And keep watching Hot Wheels TV. And hopefully we'll see you guys at a Hot Wheel convention real soon. All right? Bye-bye.